Welcome to Elite Landscaping Operator. This is more than just a course, it's a journey to scaling your business. I designed this community for you to leap hurdles, not crash into them. Entrepreneurship is a marathon, not a sprint. So start with the tools below you need to succeed. Download Lead 6 CRM. Elite Landscaping Operator, ELO, is the only place you can get the first automated CRM for landscapers. Then move through the course and learn how to get 50% profit margins, keep your pipeline full of qualified leads, weather the off season with consistent work, and structure your business to run itself. Join our calls throughout the week. Watch podcasts with top industry professionals. And remember, our team is here to provide you the service you need to triumph in uncharted territories. Take a moment to breathe. Ask questions. Don't rush. Don't skip lessons. And most importantly, celebrate every step you take. Every win, big or small, deserves recognition. We're here to celebrate those wins with you. So be patient with yourself. You're exactly where you need to be. Welcome aboard. Can't wait to see what thresholds you break through. See you in lesson 1, the Income Accelerator.